Welcome back to the Car Updatist. 2026 Toyota MR2 grabs your attention with its low-slung, aerodynamic silhouette, aggressive front fascia, sharply contoured side panels, and wide rear haunches give it the stance of a proper mid-engine performance machine. It's sleek and sculpted, yet unmistakably MR2, keeping true to its lightweight, driver-focused philosophy. The white exterior on this variant enhances its futuristic character while emphasizing the clean body lines and track-ready posture. At the rear, you'll find a pronounced diffuser, dual exhaust outlets, and sharp LED taillights that wrap the corners, all accentuating its sporty DNA. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, lies the heart of the MR2, a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline 4 engine producing an estimated 300 horsepower. Toyota has also introduced a mild hybrid system into the drivetrain, offering not just improved efficiency, but an electric boost for better torque delivery in the lower RPMs. The result: a 0 to 60 miles per hour time hovering around 4.5 seconds, which makes it one of the fastest cars in its segment, while maintaining impressive balance and control, thanks to its low center of gravity and near 50/50ths weight distribution. Inside the cockpit is a masterclass in minimalism meeting function. The driver-oriented cabin features bolstered sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and an intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest voice assistant. The materials are a mix of suede, leather, and brushed aluminum, elevating the tactile experience. Despite its compact nature, the MR2 manages to feel spacious and refined for both weekend getaways and aggressive canyon runs. One of the most unique selling points of the 2026 MR2 is its drivetrain layout. The mid-engine, rear-wheel drive configuration is a rarity at this price point, giving the car a handling edge over front-engine rivals. Toyota has also equipped the MR2 with adaptive suspension, allowing drivers to toggle between comfort and sport modes. Whether you're carving up back roads or cruising in the city, this car adapts with confidence. Another standout feature is Toyota's focus on affordability, without compromising performance. The MR2 is expected to start just under $45,000, making it a compelling alternative to more expensive European sports cars. Enthusiasts will appreciate the availability of a 6-speed manual transmission option, while tech-savvy drivers can opt for an advanced dual-clutch automatic with paddle shifts. As we wrap up this deep dive into the 2026 Toyota MR2, one thing is clear: Toyota didn't just revive a nameplate, they resurrected a legend, tuned it for a new era and made it more accessible than ever before. If you're in the market for a car that puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel, the MR2 deserves a serious look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the new MR2. Would you take it over the GR86 or Supra? Let us know what you think, and stay tuned for more detailed reviews, test drives, and comparisons right here on the channel.